Then I wanted to show you a product that I've been using. It's called Bio Wash. I heard about it on the internet, so I ordered some, figured I'd check it out, and I've been washing my ATV with it lately. I just got done washing it with this. It works really well. So we're going to do a product review video on it, show you how it works, and if you're interested in buying it, I have it in my Amazon store in the ATV section. You can click on a link in the description of the video, shoot over to our store on Amazon, and check out the ATV section. So what I need to do now is we're going to go out and get the sling muddy, go through some lakes, through some rivers, through some mud holes, get some mud on it. We'll wash it using the Bio Wash, and I'll show you how it works. Now I'm going to wash the ATV down with this Bio Wash. So I'm going to use it on my pressure washer, and it's not going to make a lot of suds because it's like it's not really a snow foam thing, but it'll apply pretty quick. Then once you let it sit for a minute, use a pail with water and some more of the Bio Wash and go over it with a sponge. So now I'm going to rinse all the Bio Wash off it. So it didn't take a whole lot of effort. You know, power washed it down, used some of the Maxima Bio Wash, sponged it, rinsed it off real quick, and it looks pretty good. Thanks for tuning in. And again, if you want to buy it, read the description of it, see what's in it and stuff like that. It's on our Amazon store. Go check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.